Hello, fellas. Wonder Woman 1984 official main trailer has been dropped, and on 2 days ago, on August 22, and I'm really excited to watch this particular trailer because the teaser trailer, which was released a few months ago, it was amazing. The music which was used of the 90s and 80s and 90s of the Blue Morning or something like that. It was like so mesmerizing and so good that I hear it again and again and again. I just loved the way that particular trailer was been motionized or picturized or edited out. It was absolutely fantastic. So this came out 2 days ago. There is August 22. I don't know which my reaction at what point of time it will be coming out, but I'm really excited to watch this particular trailer, Wonder Woman 1984. It has around 1 million views and already and 102,000 upwards, so absolutely fantastic. And the earlier movie that it was Wonder Woman, which came out in the year 2017, if I'm not mistaken, it was absolutely fantastic. It was people do say that it was actually a little bit related to Captain America, inspired from that, because it has the same things which the action thing and the stills and little bit of that. It was different, but still some part of it you still feel that it was inspired from that. But I loved it. I totally loved that movie. The ending was not that good, which I thought it might have been better, but the whole visuals of the whole movie was absolutely fantastic. DC storyline was ongoing with them, with the Steve, who was the love interest of Wonder Woman. Absolutely fantastic. This was picturized, it was great, it was superb. We have seen that in DC animated universe, and we got in Wonder Woman 2017. So this is Wonder Woman 1984, and we are going to react to it. But before that, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any update from me. Also, next to the Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, I will give in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start. Wow, amazing, yes. Wow. Yes, this one was already there in the last trailer.
Citizens of the world, I'm here to change your life. Anything you want.
I think she might be Cleopatra. I think so. Yes. How he came back.
It's like no one day has passed.
I don't want to be like anyone. I want to be an apex predator. You've always had everything, while people like me have had nothing.
Wow.
Well, now it's my turn. Get used to it.
Wow. Amazing. Okay.
I've never been one for rules. The answer is always more.
Okay.
They will never find us.
I forgot to tell you.
What?
Radar.
Will they shoot at us?
What? Yes, I knew that, right? Whoa! Oh my god, amazing!
I'm not so keen on this one. I figure You know, I'm ready to go. I think we can do that. Parachute pants?
Ooh.
Yeah. Does everybody parachute pants?
I am not sure about that dressing style. Oh my god, absolutely amazing. The fight between Wonder Woman and Cleopatra, I hope I am saying that correctly, the Cleopatra thing. Uh, she was actually in the DC animated universe, and I was a fan of Wonder Woman. Fighting with her at some point of time. Little mistakes were there. It was not majorly casted in that particular animated series. In comic books or something like that, there might be various versions of it, but I have never seen any animated series with this particular combination. So it was amazing. This was absolutely fantastic. Oh my god, that last stunt which they did, it was out of the world. It just took me by the storm. Wow, fantastic, absolutely amazing, superb. This was one of the things which was really good to wait. It was absolutely amazing. And Wonder Woman being one of the fantastic movies of all time, it is one of the greatest things happening to me. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. I'm not able to complete this thing. Yeah, particular thing, we still have no idea how Steve came back. Okay, it was like it's still a mystery. There are various I guess permutation combination or like errors or something like that. People have this thing of making assumptions of like how he came, because people have read a lot of comics. I was never a major comic book person, but they have been making a great amount of speculations about that. But I'm still waiting for the movie to come, and I'm really going to enjoy it. The person who is playing the villain in that, he has a very major role in that, and people are assuming that he is the person who was able to bring Steve back with a time machine or something like that, which was able to invent it in the year 1984, which brought and messed up the whole time travel system. So it's really nice to see like so many elements put together, like Steve coming back, fight with Cleopatra, the villain who is actually having this in his hands to do all these things. I mean, how Wonder Woman, just one person who is absolutely amazing, having so many powers, and we just love her by the way she does the Gal Gadot. The Israel beauty, absolutely fantastic, and she has put so much hard work in making her role up to the mark and awesome. It's absolutely fantastic. So all these elements coming together and Wonder Woman fighting everything at once is one of great treat to watch. It's a fantastic thing to do. So let's see how this turns out to be, and I'm really excited when this movie will come out. It's one of the fantastic things which we know as a person who loves cartoons a lot. From the time we are in the childhood days of the Cartoon Network, the Justice League, Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, like Flash, and so many things. Green Arrow. Oh God, there's so many characters which we saw. When we were just small, growing, and like we just saw all these characters all our life. It's absolutely amazing to see all this coming to life, and people playing it with so much great animation and VFX and green screen. Absolutely fantastic, superb. This is one of the fantastic trailers. I think I'm going to really enjoy what the movie will be released. So this is a particular reaction. I hope you liked it, and I would request you to give a big thumbs up to this particular video, so I get inspired and motivated to do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook have been given in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, or give me any feedback, I would love to hear it from you guys too. And do follow me, it's free of cost. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu, or Malayalam, or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to say that until next reaction, next trailer, next review, I would request you to stay connected.